In a small, quiet town, a girl named Emma dreams of adventure beyond her cozy streets. Emma's parents work tirelessly at the library, filling their home with the love of books. One day, a letter arrives that changes everything for Emma. Emma's heart races. Green Valley is 3 hours away. Could this be the adventure she dreamed of? 1 week later, the day to leave arrives, and Emma feels a mix of excitement and nerves. Emma arrives at the bus station, ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime. On the bus, Emma strikes up a conversation with Mia, who shares her passion for painting. As the bus rolls through fields and hills, Emma feels a sense of freedom. Arriving at Green Valley is like stepping into a dream. Majestic mountains surround them. In the cabins, Emma meets new friends and feels the excitement build. The first hike reveals breathtaking views that fill Emma's heart with wonder. At the top, the wind rushes around Emma, filling her with a sense of being alive. In art class, Emma finds her voice through poetry, and her confidence begins to blossom. At the campfire, Emma shares her poem, and applause fills the air, boosting her spirit. Cultural night showcases diverse talents, and Emma shares a folktale from her hometown. A lively dance with Daniel ignites the night with laughter and joy. A day by the river turns into endless laughter as Emma and Mia splash around. Seated by the river, Emma and Mia reflect on their friendship and the journey so far. As a storm brews, Emma discovers strength in friendship and sharing fears. The storm passes, and Emma feels empowered, knowing she can face anything. As the program comes to an end, Emma hugs her new friends, knowing memories will last forever. On the bus ride home, Emma reflects on how much she's grown during her journey. Returning home, Emma's heart is full, ready to share stories with her parents. That night, Emma begins writing about her adventures, feeling inspired and alive. Emma realizes her journey has just begun, with the world waiting to be explored.